going to show you how to clean your iPad 2 or other touchscreen device. You get LCD wipes. Just get one wipe. That's all you're going to need for the whole iPad. Just get the whole front, make sure everything gets off of it. And then with your microfiber fuzzy fingers cloth that you can get from Walmart for like $3, just make sure you get the whole thing. And it looks brand new, like you just bought it. No fingerprints or glares. And then you just do the same thing with the same wipe on the back. Just to show you, you usually don't need the wipes, but if there's a lot of fingerprints, you do. I don't know if you could see those fingerprints there, but if you just rub it with this microfiber cloth for a second, they're gone. It's a pretty awesome thing, and it was only $3. And I suggest buying one, and that's how you clean your touchscreen device.